Good morning, students. Today we are going to see branch accounts last session. I hope you have completed your remaining sessions of branch accounts from the past recorded lectures, that is batch number 5. So those students who are watching this session, first you have to complete your branch accounts from the past recorded lectures of batch number 5, and here we are going to start with past examination questions. Before starting today's session, yes, first we will revise our basic accounts quickly. So traditional accounts, debit the debtor, credit the creditor, debit the receiver, credit the giver, debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out, nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Remember, personal and real account are carried to balance sheet and nominal accounts are transferred to P&L. In branch accounts, quickly we'll revise all these concepts. So in branch accounts, we have seen that this chapter is divided in 3 parts. So number 1 is dependent branch, second one is independent branch, and third one is a foreign branch. Dependent branch, you have to understand that is we have 2 methods, at cost and at invoice price. At cost, we have first method, debtors method, which according to me, you have to think from the angle of HO. Okay, otherwise you have to learn this pro forma. And stock and debtors method, you have to think from the angle of branch. So independent branch, we have to first reconcile our books of accounts, and then we have to prepare HO and branch accounts, and then club the balance sheet and profit and loss account. And in case of foreign branch, it is divided in 3 parts, integral versus non-integral, integral operations. In integral operations, in integral operations, first one, nominal accounts, we multiply by average rate. Then second one, yes, what are 2 methods, monetary items and non-monetary items. Monetary items, we multiply by closing rate, historical cost rate in case of integral, and non-monetary items, we multiplied by, exactly ulta bol diya. Non-monetary items, we have to multiply by historical cost rate, and monetary items, we multiply by closing rate, and nominal accounts are by average rate. In case of non-integral operations, monetary and non-monetary both by closing rate, and nominal accounts are by average rate. So today we are going to see some questions based on foreign branch. Anything that you found difficult, beta, you can tell me it in the comment section, sir. We are not getting this concept, so we will move to next one. तो जल्दी से मुझे बताइए. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा. आलोक शिवलानी जी, प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर नहीं किए. पीवाई के 5 एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बोला गया है. ओके सर, आई हैव नॉट अटेंडेड प्रीवियस 2 सेशंस ऑफ दिस चैप्टर बिकॉज ऑफ बीकॉम एग्जाम. सो मैं ज्वाइन करूं क्या? नहीं बेटा, ज्ञानेश इंग्रेजी मत करो. आज का सेशन समझ में नहीं आएगा. जितना समझ में आ रहा है ठीक है, बट एटलीस्ट डेटस मेथड और स्टॉक एंड डेटस मेथड क्या होता है ये समझने की कोशिश करो. ओके, आई होप कि यू नो द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्टॉक एंड डेटस मेथड एंड डेटस मेथड. तो मैं बता सकता हूं आज का कॉन्सेप्ट आपको. बाकी स्टूडेंट्स से गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, जल्दी जल्दी आ जाइए. गुड मॉर्निंग बोल दीजिए फटाफट फटाफट. ज्वाइन कर लीजिए आज के सेशन को. बाकी स्टूडेंट्स से जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. गुड मॉर्निंग बहुत से बच्चों ने बोला नहीं है. चलिए, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ illustration number 2. Question 2, November 2015, Raju Industries. Yes, कौन से क्वेश्चंस रह गए हमारे, जल्दी से मुझे बताइए. टेल मी रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 बाकी है. Question number 2. Okay. Raju Industries, Kolkata, has a branch in Delhi to which office goods are invoiced at cost plus 25%. So, beta, actually this problem you have to solve it by debtors method, or you may solve it by stock and debtors method. Now, both options are available in exam. We will solve this by stock and debtors method, not by debtors method. So, the both Branch sells both cash and credit. Branch expenses are paid directly by head office, and branch has to remit all cash received to bank account. Okay. So there is no need to open branch cash account. So here, no need to open branch cash account. From the following details relating to calendar year 2014, prepare the accounts in the head office ledger and ascertain the branch profit. Branch does not maintain any books of accounts but sends weekly returns to the head office. Goods received from head office at invoice price. Okay, so goods received कितने के हैं? 6 lakhs. Returns 12,000. So this is branch stock debit. Okay. Branch stock credit. Debit branch stock and cancel loading. Now this is 100, 25, 125, cost plus 25%. So on question itself, you can write 100, 25, 125. So loading is 25 upon 125. So divide by 5. Sales. Branch stock credit. Branch debtors debit, credit sales, stock credit. Sundry debtors, opening balance, discount allowed, branch debtors credit, branch P&L debit, bad debt same, branch debtors credit and branch P&L debit. Sales return, branch stock minus branch debtors credit. This is minus from credit side. Branch expenses debit. Stock, branch stock credit. It's very simple question. Nothing difficult in this. So those students who are doing it for the first time, stock and debtors method, nothing is difficult. कुछ भी difficult नहीं है ये question में. Yes. How much profit you got, beta? How many of you solved this question? Tell me profit that you got. Okay, let's start. Number 1, branch stock account. Particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees for first account. Prepare it of 8 lines. Second account, branch debtors account. Third one, branch adjustment account. Fourth one, branch expenses account, and fifth one, branch P&L account. Chalo. So let's start. Draw fast, beta. Chalo. Okay. Drawn, beta. Let's start. Goods received from head office. So सबसे पहले I will write opening stock. I will write the format to GSTB, less returns, by sales, cash, credit, less returns, by closing stock, okay. ठीक है चलो. So first format ready. Yes बेटा format easy છે. चलो. Opening stock. But sometimes I have to take easy questions also. 6 lakhs. Less returns. 12,000. So this is 5 lakh 88,000. Stock 60,000. Immediately we will cancel loading by stock reserve. By stock reserve 60,000 into 25 upon 125. This is 12,000 by GSTB loading. Less returns करके 5,88,000 into 25 upon 125. One lakh 17,600. Sales 1,80,000 and 3,80,000. Less returns. ओके सो डेटर्स के डेबिट में टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन टू सेल्स. So two sales 3,80,000 and cash account is not open, so no cash sales account. After that, yes बेटा after that क्या? चलो डेटर्स हो गया. डिस्काउंट अलाउड इन एंड बैड डेट्स. सो डेटर्स के क्रेडिट में फोर्थ लाइन पे लिखो बाय बैड डेट्स एंड बाय डिस्काउंट अलाउड. सो डिस्काउंट अलाउड કેટલું છે? 6,000 and 8,000. 8,000 discount allowed. 6,000 bad debts. ब्रांच P&L के डेबिट में सेकंड लाइन टू डिस्काउंट and to bad debts 6,000. Sales return below bad debts and discount by sales return how much beta? 6,000. And one effect here, less 6,000 outer column 5,54,000. Next, rent, salary and office expense 16,62,6 in branch expenses. Rent, to salary, to office expense. Rent कितना? 16,000, 62,000. Office expense 6,000. Stock 1,20,000. And branch adjustment account to stock reserve 1,20,000. $24,000. चलो हो गया क्या पूरा? Yes. Now it's very simple. Okay. So now tell me what is the balancing figures? Chalo jaldi jaldi. Yes. Now you only tell me balancing figure of branch stock. Let it be interactive lecture. Tell me balancing figure. Excess selling price over invoice price. 674 minus 60 minus 588. 26,000. In branch adjustment account by branch stock, 26,000. I forgot to write debtors opening balance. 72,000. Sorry, I forgot to write 72,000. How I don't know. By balance carried down will be 0. And by cash is a balancing figure. We will assume balance carried down is 0. So 4,32,000. Branch adjustment to branch P&L, GP. $84,000. And by branch expenses, here two branch expenses. And this is branch profit beta. By gross profit कितना है? 1,31,600. Net profit 33,600. 33,600. Is it correct, beta? See one by one account. You can check. You can take screenshot if you want. Branch stock account. Branch debtors account. Branch adjustment account. Branch expense account. And branch P&L account. Yes. Are you getting same GP net profit? Yes, beta. Same net profit or otherwise? Yes. Tell me other answer. Day after tomorrow, we are going to start with financial statements. Don't miss the first session. It's very important. I'm going to upload questions, past examination questions. Yes. Now tell me next question, beta. Question number 3, we are going to start. I don't know how ICA asked this question for 8 marks. Question number 3. क्या कभी कभी इतना लेंदी क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ लेते हैं मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. कभी कभी होता है ऐसा. आई वोंट से ऑलवेज. यस बेटा. November 2016 question. Have you done this November 2016 question? Is it easy or difficult? Yes, for practice, I'm taking with you this question. Yes, beta. It is same question. जुलाई 21 का क्वेश्चन लिया जाए ऐसा रिक्वेस्ट आया है. Okay, that we will take. Don't worry. It's similar to 7 number. Beta, many students, they have not done these homeworks. So beta, we have to consider all these questions. Yes, beta. This is similar to illustration. 33,600 is a profit. Chaliye. So let's start with this illustration. Those who have solved beta, it is just a practice. So don't worry, because in this batch, I'm going to take all these questions. So it is just a practice for you. Don't miss the single session. Mr. Chennaswamy of Chennai trades in refined oil and ghee. It has branch at Salem. He dispatched 30 tins, 1500 per tin. First of every month, 30 into 1500 into 12. So 5,40,000. And this is 12 lakhs. Branch incurred expenditure of 45,890, which is made out of its collection. This is an addition to the following other details. Okay. So branch cash we have to open. Purchases. Debit trading account. So Chennai HO beta, for this we will open trading and P&L, and for Salem branch we will open branch debtors method. Debtors method. Direct expenses and trading debit. Expenses paid by HO. Yes, we will record sales trading credit. Collection will see opening balances, building no use. These are no use beta. This data is information is important. Only IMP in trading and P&L. This is to confuse us. No use, no use. This one, huh? Okay. So let's start with first. Write down. Chalo, write down data. Books of Chenna Swami, Salem branch account. Salem branch account. Whether there is any short cross tally? No. Particulars rupees, particulars rupees. Then memorandum debtors account and memorandum cash account. Memorandum debtors of 8 lines. Memorandum cash 5 to 6 lines. Draw fast beta. Chalo, fast. Expenses paid by HO. Okay. Before that, we will write two opening balances. Two opening balances. Oil, ghee, debtors, cash, furniture. By closing balances, oil, ghee, debtors, cash, furniture. So oil beta, 890 and 1570. Then, sorry. It's my mistake. Wrong. That is 31st March. Wrong, beta. Please scratch it. Opening stock 22,500 plus 40,000. 40,000. Then debtors 1,80,000. Then cash in hand 25,690. And last one is 23,800. Okay, easy. By closing balance, oil 19,500, 90,000, debtors working note 1, cash working note 2, and furniture 21,420. Okay, chalo. Then GSTB on the debit side of branch Salem branch account to GSTB, oil, घी, बट ऑयल कितना लिखा था हमने 5,40,000 and 12 lakhs. No need to show calculation. If you are shown, it's okay. 17,40,000. Sales expenses paid by HO line by line जाते. So HO पास करेगा entry. HO to bank. Expenses paid. How much? 76,800. 76,800. Yes. Sales we won't record. Collection won't record. Remittance. Okay. Remittance by HO or by cash you can write. By cash. By cash remitted. How much? 19,50,000. This question is a part question, beta. I think so. I will check it from the scanner. Is it part question, बेटा? एक ही मिनट हाँ बेटा, पार्ट क्वेश्चन लग रहा है मुझे. एक ही मिनट. Because commission का adjustment is also there. Wait. So till that you can write this. एक ही मिनट. is not printed. Okay. Part question is not printed. बेटा पार्ट क्वेश्चन प्रिंटेड ही नहीं है. ओके. यस बेटा, इट्स अ पार्ट क्वेश्चन. तो मैं जल्दी से इसको कंप्लीट करवाता हूँ. पार्ट क्वेश्चन है ये. अभी ये मिलेगा क्या जल्दी से हमें? November 2016 question. Otherwise, I will dictate you this without. I will dictate you this remaining part. So remaining part is addition to building. Addition to building. 2,51,600. Then rate of depreciation. Building 10%. No, furniture 10% and building 5%. Already adjusted in above figures. Third one, branch manager commission 10% on profit after charging commission. After charging commission. And fourth point, general manager ब्रांच मैनेजर कमीशन के बाद जनरल मैनेजर कमीशन 2,000 per month, 20,000 per month, sorry, and general expenses 1,86,000. 1,86,000. So addition to building, furniture rate, manager's commission, general manager, salary, and general expenses. But I forgot to take all these points. Yes, beta. Addition to building, rate of depreciation, branch manager commission, general manager, and last one is a general manager के बाद general expenses. चलो जल्दी जल्दी से बताइए, जल्दी जल्दी. Okay, so now we will solve. फर्नीचर के बाद okay beta, I will upload once again this question. Otherwise you can take a yes beta screenshot ले लीजिए remaining part of this question. चलो start. कहां तक पहुंचे थे हम लोग? We have written remittance also. अच्छा, now we have to solve working notes. Working notes ना बेटा. Two balance brought down. Memorandum debtors 1,80,000. Sales here including cash sales, beta, because we do not have bifurcation of collection. So two sales including cash sales 595 plus 1450. So 595 plus 1450, 20,55,000 by cash or bank, including cash sales. 20,15,000 and then by balance carried down. Cash account also. Two balance brought down 25,690. Potatoes, including cash sales, 20,15,000 by HO. How much you remitted बेटा? HO को कितना भेजा आपने? 19,50,000 Can you tell me branch expenses paid by HO and only branch expenses incurred during the year? Expenses paid by HO and direct expenses for 800 I'm getting. Expenses 55,890. Ah, now this is very, very important sentence. 45,890 is made out of collection. So what is the entry? By expenses 45,890. So this is write down as IMP. Yeah? This is branch paid expenses. Who paid this expense? Branch paid this expense and no need of second effect. No second effect है बेटा इसका ऊपर. ये बहुत important था by expenses. And now you can find out balance carried down. Where it is given beta 45,890 on the third line itself. Question के third line पे very, very important. 25,000 minus 20,15,000. So how much is the answer, beta? 2,10,000 na? Tell me the answer. 2,10,000. Buy balance carried down. For 800. There is no cross tally for this question. I'm again and again requesting you to all write correct answer 44,800. Now, manager's commission. To branch manager commission. Now you can calculate profit. चलो प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट कीजिए. 22.5, 1950 plus 19,500, 54,800, 21,420. So tell me the profit. $19.50. How much? 1950 plus 19.5 plus 90 plus 210 plus 44.8 plus 21.42. 23,35,720. Minus minus 25.69 minus 23.8 minus 1740. 226,930. 226,930 into 10 by 110. This is important adjustment. We already covered this, beta. Net profit. $206,300. 206,300. चलो बेटा बोलो, इजी है. कविता चांडक जी पूछ रहे हैं कि सर होल विंटर में यही टाइमिंग रहेगा क्या? बहुत नींद आती है शायद से इनको. तो हाँ बेटा, सीए करने के लिए तो यही स्केड्यूल रखना ही पड़ेगा ना. मुझे पता है ठंड बहुत बढ़ चुकी है. यस. और बेटा ट्रेडिंग एंड P&L अकाउंट आई विल शो यू नाउ. प्लीज डू इट बाय योर ओन. You can take a screenshot now. Trading and P&L, I will show you the answer. SIP, GSTB, you have to write deduction from the purchases. That is the important point. See, opening stock. Here you will take opening stock and closing stock. Sales is given in the question. Purchases is given in the question and direct expenses is given in the question. Balancing figure is GP. Then in GP, you will add branch profit also. This is very important. Branch profit. salary, general expense, and depreciation. Depreciation you have to calculate, and then you will get the net profit. Okay, so net profit आपको एंड में मिल जाएगा. चलो अभी इतना लिख लिया है तो 2 मिनट में लिख ही लेते हैं. क्या करना है? यू विल राइट बाय योर ओन. यस बेटा, आप लोग लिख लीजिए, मैं स्क्रीन चालू रखता हूं. देखिए, ओपनिंग स्टॉक परचेसेस डेबिट, सिर्फ इसमें से क्या डिडक्ट होगा? जीएसटीबी. यू कैन राइट ऑन द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ. जीएसटीबी को डिडक्ट कर दीजिए. 5,40,000 एंड 12 लाख. तो जीएसटीबी माइनस करना है. डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस ट्रेडिंगच्या डेबिटला. एक्सपेंस पेड बाय एचओ. सेल्स यू हैव टू राइट. एक्सपेंसेस नहीं लिखना है. सेल्स यू विल राइट. डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस ट्रेडिंग डेबिट. सेल्स ट्रेडिंग क्रेडिट. Then opening stock and closing stock you will write. And then depreciation. Then depreciation. Easy है? You can write this and we will take a break up to. ये 5 मिनट लिख लेना जितने भी बच्चे हैं. Yes, manager's commission you can write it. No manager 10% commission. General manager. So here is only one adjustment. Only branch manager is getting commission. Okay. General manager will not get any commission like study material question. But 8 मार्क के लिए 9 साबित थी. 8 मार्क के लिए. Okay. चलो. Finish it. Write down and take a break after. You can take a screenshot. 8:20 को हम लोग आ जाएंगे. चलो ब्रेक ले लीजिए 8:20 तक. 5 मिनट लिखने को लगेंगे और 15 मिनट का ब्रेक. ब्रेक ले लीजिए. Let's start with TYK question number 5. Abdul is asking about question number 5, TYK. Let's see TYK question number 5. I think in last batch we have not covered TYK 5. Any other question from study material? If you found it difficult, you can ask me. TYK question 5. Beta, why you found this question difficult, beta? Yes. In last session, yes, can you tell me? रिकॉर्डेड सेशन में ये कंप्लीट नहीं करवाया क्या मैंने? यस बेटा, 16 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था वो. चलो कोई बात नहीं, अभी आईसीए ने दिया है तो अपने को ये करना पड़ेगा. वाइड स्प्रेड का क्या दिक्कत है? इलस्ट्रेशन 8 और टीवाई के 5. ज्योति बोल रहे इलस्ट्रेशन 8 इज डिफिकल्ट. चलो आप लोग मुझे जल्दी से बता दीजिए कौन से क्वेश्चंस करवाने हैं. बता दीजिए कौन से क्वेश्चंस करवाने हैं फास्ट. चलो नाउ यूर टर्न. दोज हु आर वेरी सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. हर्षित इज सेइंग कि सर रिकॉर्डेड में टीवाई के एक भी नहीं लिया था. So, should I start with TYK questions now? Widespread invoice goods to its branch at cost plus 20%. The branch sells goods for cash as well as on credit. Okay. The branch meets the expenditure out of its cash collected from its debtors and cash sales and remits the balance to the head office after withholding 10,000. So, beta, this is balance carried down. On 31st March, your assets are as follows: cash in hand, debtors, stock at invoice price, furniture and fittings. Cash in hand, debtors, stock. During the accounting year ended 31st March 2002, the invoice price of goods dispatched by the head office to the branch amounted to rupees 1 crore 32 lakhs. Beta, 1 crore means, now these are rupees in thousand. 1 crore 32 lakhs means 13200. 13,200 you have to write because rupees in thousand. Withholding 10,000 is cash means 3 zeros cut kar dijiye. So consider it as 10 only. Out of the goods received by it, the branch sent back to head office invoices goods of rupees 72,000. तो 72 आपको ये याद रखना है. Following transactions are at branch: cash sales, credit sales, cash collected by branch from credit customers, cash discount, returns by customer, bad debts, and expenses paid by branch. The branch purchased new furniture 1 lakh. 1 lakh means beta 3 zeros cut कीजिए, 100 you have to write. And payment was done by check. Okay. On 31st March 2002, branch expenses 6,000 were outstanding. So outstanding is for the first time. And cash in hand is again 10,000. Furniture is subject to depreciation of 16% per annum. Prepare branch account in the books of head office. It's very simple. चलिए TYK 5. Books of widespread. Particulars rupees. Particulars rupees. Opening balances. So I'm solving this question by Data's method. Data's method से solve करेंगे. ठीक है हर्षित, पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन 4 मैं करवा दूंगा, डोंट वरी. चलिए, सो टू ओपनिंग बैलेंसेस, कैश इन हैंड, you can write over here rupees in thousand, 10, TYK 5, debtors 384, debtors 384, stock 1080, stock 1080, furniture 500. टू GSTB. अच्छा, लोडिंग बेटा इमीडिएटली स्टॉक के बाजू में बाय स्टॉक रिजर्व लोडिंग वी आर गोइंग टू कैंसल 1080 into 20 by 120. Do calculation afterwards. First we'll do posting part. To GSTB, 13,200 by GSTB returns loading. Calculation afterwards, 13,200 into 20 by 120. By GSTB return 72 to GSTB return loading 72 into 20 by 120. Calculations afterwards. Then cash sales we never record. Credit sales never record. Cash collected by branch from credit customer, no. Cash discount, no. Return by customer, no. Bad debts, no. Expenses paid by branch also, no. Branch purchased new furniture for which payment made by the head office, yes. So to bank furniture 100. See, these activities, cash sales is by branch. Therefore, we are thinking from the angle of HO. Think from HO view. सो कैश सेल्स की एंट्री नहीं होगी, क्रेडिट सेल्स की एंट्री नहीं होगी, बिकॉज दिस एक्टिविटीज आर डन बाय ब्रांच. कैश कलेक्टेड बाय ब्रांच फ्रॉम क्रेडिट कस्टमर, नो. कैश डिस्काउंट, नो. रिटर्न बाय कस्टमर, नो. बैड डेट्स, नो. एक्सपेंसेस पेड बाय ब्रांच, नो. Then you have outstanding expenses. So beta, two outstanding expenses on the last line, because it's a liability, closing balance. So what is the outstanding expenses? Now this is for the first time, beta. First time. Cash in hand. So this is 6,000, and by closing balance. Closing balance, cash, debtors, stock, and beta furniture. Cash, we are aware, this is 10,000, is given in the question. Furniture, this is working note 1, stock working note 2. So first time beta stock calculation. First time. Stock is also we are calculating for the first time. Furniture, good Abdul bhai. Abdul chun chun के अच्छे questions लाता है. Very good beta. For the benefit of students. 500 पे कितना depreciation है? 16%. So 500 minus 16%, directly you can write, plus you bought for 100, but this 100 pay into 16% only for 3 months. So 500 in minus 16%, memory plus 420. So this is 420. And this is 100 into 16% divided by 4. So depreciation is 4. So this is 96. 420 plus 96. 516. 516. Students who will solve these questions with me before exam, 100% I'm giving you assurance you are going to get exemption. Assurance है मेरा. जो लोग ये समझ पाते हैं, ये सभी क्वेश्चन जो मुझे समझ पाते हैं, 100% एग्जाम्शन है. लिख के रखो आज. And don't give up due to such difficult questions. Try to understand sir's thinking level. Now we are going to open 3 accounts here. First time, memorandum branch stock account. First time. Memorandum branch stock account we never opened beta. Red pen. Working note 2. Memorandum debtors account. And after 6 lines, actually this is no need, but only for clarity purpose. Working note 3, memorandum cash account. Memorandum cash account. अब्दुल भाई खुश? सर ने टीवाईके का क्वेश्चन भी करवा दिया. यस बेटा अब्दुल. खुश हो? Opening stock by closing stock. First I will write opening and closing balances. To balance brought down, by balance carried down. And memorandum cash, to balance brought down, by balance carried down. This is we are aware 10-10. Cash in hand 10-10. Debtors 384. And stock is at invoice price only. 1080। फर्नीचर का जरूरत नहीं है। टू जीएसटीबी अब्दुल, नाउ क्वेश्चन टू यू, आपको कैसे टाइम मिल जाता है, बाकी स्टूडेंट्स को टाइम ही नहीं मिलता। 13,200 minus 72 after returns also. $13,128. Cash sales, cash, credit, less returns. Cash sales beta 9,700, 3,140, so give second effect. Cash चा debit ला, 2 branch stock और 2 sales, and debtors के debit में भी 2 sales. How much? 3,140 for debtors and 9,700 for cash sales. Cash collected by branch from customer. So cash to debtors, and here by cash. Cash to debtors कितना है बेटा? 2842, 2842, and here 2842. 2842, 2842. Cash discount allowed to debtors. By discount 58. Second effect beta P&L चा debit ला, so no need. Returns by customer, yes. By returns, how much? 102. Second effect we have to give as a deduction 102. Then bad debts 37. By bad debts 37. And then cash sent to branch expenses paid by branch. By expenses paid by branch 842. 842. बेटा सॉरी, नो नीड को हटा दीजिए. देर इज नीड टू नो कैश remitted. Very, very important. So mandatory we have to open this account. No need लिखा था, cut it. Need to know cash remitted. Cash remitted. चलो अभी 1 by 1 अकाउंट्स क्लोज करेंगे. 1 by 1 अकाउंट्स क्लोज करेंगे. चलो नाउ यू ओनली टेल मी अमाउंट्स. आलोक शिवलानी. यस, लास्ट में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या गलतियां हो रही है आप लोगों से. मिस्टेक्स दोज हु आर वाचिंग बोर्ड ऑफ स्टडीज सेशंस. ओके, आई विल गिव यू what exactly the problem is. Today itself, I will tell you mistakes by board of study students. चलो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कैलकुलेट कीजिए. चलो waiting for closing stock. I am not going to answer it now. I will write directly 14208. You only answer my question now. So closing stock is 1470. I am not going to calculate it. Now it's your turn. 1470. चलो नेक्स्ट. ज्योति ने आंसर दिया 1470. So immediately opposite to that, to stock reserve 1470 into 20 divided by 120. Yes. Debtors balancing figure. Debtors की balancing figure. Yes बेटा, हर्षित कैंसिल किया लोडिंग. वेरी गुड बेटा. चलो टेल मी बैलेंसिंग फिगर ऑफ डेटर्स. बैलेंसिंग फिगर ऑफ डेटर्स कितना है बोलो. Debtors is 485. 3524 is a total. 485. Who answered it? प्रणव. प्रणव ने आंसर दिया. आलोक गलत आंसर है बेटा. And tell me balancing figure by HO remittance. HO का remittance. Balancing figure of cash. अच्छा 485 I will write over here. हाँ over. And by remittance, memorandum cash account. Very good बेटा कविता. Memorandum cash account, remittance. So HO को जो भेजा वो बताइए. $11,700. हर्षित wrong answer बेटा. 12,552. And HO remittance by cash remittance 11,700. Cancel loading फटाफट. So take on calci. Shortcut 20 divided by 120 into 1080. So I'm getting 180, 179.999, 180. Then 13,200 is equal to 2200 to 199.99 मिल रहा है तो 2200. Then 72 is equal to 12, 11.99 मिल रहा है. And 1470 is equal to shortcut 250. And now you can calculate profit. Yes. So ये था आपका पूरा का पूरा. Now tell me profit फटाफट. 180 plus 2,200. This is 245. सॉरी इधर क्यों मैंने गलत लिखा. 245 एंड बैलेंसिंग फिगर, यस सॉरी एक गलती हुआ था. बैलेंसिंग फिगर आई एम गेटिंग 1096 is a profit. Check with IC answer. 1096. सॉरी ज्योति, मेरा आंसर गलत हुआ था. 245 था वो. दीपिका यू आर करेक्ट. 245. What are important point in this question, beta? What are important points in this question? Yes, beta. Do you have screenshot of TYK questions? इंडेक्स है क्या आपके पास? इंडेक्स इंडेक्स दिया है क्या मैंने TYK का? TYK का इंडेक्स दिया है क्या मैंने? So what are important points in this question, beta? As opening and closing balances are given, so debtors method. Cash account is maintained and withholding balance is given in the question. 10,000, 10,000. Withholding means opening balance and closing balance. Furniture and fittings, only opening and closing balance are given. No need of writing depreciation in debtors method. So we write opening and closing balances only. Closing balance is after depreciation. So depreciation 3 months ka tha. Figures are in 1000. Okay. First time of outstanding expenses account. And what is more important, that branch stock first time आया है. First time branch stock account. Balancing figure, closing stock. So memorandum accounts are given. Yes, beta, very, very important. Cash account IMP for remittance calculation. We open balancing figure, closing balance for stock, debtors के लिए closing balance, and cash is remittance to HO. So this is how you have to recall this question. TYK का इंडेक्स छाप लो बेटा. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट और TYK इंडेक्स. Yes, beta. Harshit. Yes, Abdul. Any other difficult question, beta? Any other difficult question? Question 5. छह नंबर ले लीजिए. All important questions. Can see these screenshots. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए फटाफट. ठीक है. अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Any difficulty? ओके. सिर्फ एक 5 मिनट में आपके लेता हूं. What happens to board of studies session? Why students are not getting result? Yes. Here concepts मैं आपको पहले ही बता देता हूं. What is mistake? See, normal student versus board of study student. एक तो here it might happen that face to face batch होता है. So but obvious those who are very sincere. So impact तो गिरता ही है. Here it's a virtual class. But I have seen in last batch one of my student he scored 99 marks. How much? 99 marks. In board of studies का ही student था. Some students want, now Abdul Bhai, he wants only direction. Here, if I'm giving you all answers in writing, it will minimum take 15 days to complete branch accounts. How many days? 12 to 15 days. So batch, फिर पुणे में I have seen many batches जो 9 सुबह बच्चा आता है 7 AM, रात को जाता है 9 PM. सिर्फ बैठा रहता है. कब सेल्फ स्टडी करेगा? नो सेल्फ स्टडी. सो दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव point. Self study is possible. Here it is not possible. It's very difficult. But those students who are not watching my previous sessions, beta, it will be very difficult. You have to, yes, beta, consider your own timings. Please, time निकालना पड़ेगा. You have to give time. It's not ki, yes, you will automatically will get the time. No. Give proper timings. Minimum. Plan your study accordingly. Daily 2 subjects. So direct entry students, for them it is very difficult. But for foundation bachche, better for foundation, 6 hours session, 8 hours self-study. ये daily target चाहिए. 14 hours you have to work. And then see the result. Board of studies के maximum बच्चे, and I have seen many students after attending private lectures, now they come to attend board of studies session. At least मुझे तो बहुत सारे students reply देते हैं, sir, we watch your board of studies session and we got clear. We joined private classes, but after attending your sessions, we passed. Why? Because we are stick to points. हम लोग सिर्फ उतना ही बोलते हैं जितना जरूरत है. I will give you 100% techniques to clear your exams. But problem is that students are taking it casually. Now it's your responsibility. Give me a list of difficult questions. Now Abdul already told me, sir, TYK का 5 number ले लो. So this is how you have to study. I am also getting 3 days. Beta, board of studies are running this free of cost, but they are paying us. So for them, it is better expensive. I'm not saying it is from your fees, पर बेटा हर फैकल्टी के लेक्चर्स लेना, ये आईसीआई भी ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जो इनिशिएटिव ले रही है, ये आपके बेहतरीन, आपको अच्छा देने के लिए है. और आईसीआई ऐसे किसी फैकल्टीज को गिनती चुनती नहीं है. दे ऑलरेडी नो विच आर बेस्ट फैकल्टी बिकॉज दिस इज अ 6th बैच विच इज गोइंग ऑन. सो बहुत ट्रायल एंड एरर हो गया अभी. सो आईसीआई को भी पता है कौन सी फैकल्टी अच्छी है कौन सी नहीं है. उन्हीं को देते जो अच्छा सिखा रहे. ऐसा ही किसी का सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा. जो आपके साथ जुड़ा रहेगा उन्हीं को यहाँ पे बताया जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई फीडबैक्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट ठीक है. सो 14 आवर्स सेल्फ स्टडी इज रिक्वायर्ड. यहाँ पे तो बेटा 14 आवर्स तो वो सेशन अटेंड करता है. सेल्फ स्टडी कब करेगा? नो सेल्फ स्टडी. क्लास में सिर्फ समझता है, बट यू हैव टू सॉल्व बाय योर ओन. ठीक है. आई होप. चलिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But now important point is that after attending these sessions, you have to give minimum 6 to 8 hours apart from your study timings. 3 hours for accounts. Then suppose today is your direct tax session. Give 3 hours for direct tax. Yeah, tomorrow you can give. Okay. So जो session है उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व कर देने के. ओके. कोई बात नहीं. And meanwhile, your BCom exams are also going on. So it's very difficult. I know. सीए स्टूडेंट है भाई, प्रेशर तो हैंडल करना पड़ेगा. सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर तो हम लोग जीते. रिटर्न्स के टाइम पे क्या प्रेशर रहता है हमें पता है. प्रेशर तो सिखाता है ये सीए कोर्स हमें. डोंट गिव अप. चलो, कैन यू टेल मी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? यस बेटा अब्दुल. अच्छा, इन्होंने एक पूछा था पास्ट ईयर में से एक क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट है. आलोक बोल रहा है इन पास्ट ईयर वन क्वेश्चन इज डिफिकल्ट. विच वन बेटा? यस, गिवन मी लिस्ट ऑल्सो. अभी कौन सा क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट है बेटा? दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑलरेडी आई हैव कवर्ड इट इन इलस्ट्रेशन फॉर 10 marks. नाउ दिस सिमिलर टू which question? Similar to beta, I will tell you the number so you can watch that session. I think this is similar to हाँ. November 20, May 21 I will show you the question. कौन सा था वो? July 21. Creditors balance 40,000. Here creditors balance 62,000. Here 168. Here 188. So same question beta. I already, yes, this is similar to illustration number 12. So you can refer my past question. Recorded session beta, illustration 12 for July 2021. Okay, illustration 12. Same question. Harshit. Question 4. Okay. Question 4 हर्षित ने पूछा है. Harshit asked for question number 4, past year questions, May 2018. May 2018. Question number 4. Okay, so this is for the first time. Good Spilford. Which question is this, beta? May 2018. May 18. Hmm. May 18. Yes, beta. Write down. Iron Limited invoiced goods at cost plus 33.33%. 100, 33.33, 133.33. Goods are prepare branch stock account, branch stock adjustment account and branch P&L account. ठीक है, बना लेते हैं. Stock at the beginning. Debit, credit, goods sent to branch, debit, including goods invoice 48,000 to branch but not received. Okay, so in transit. Return goods, credit, credit sales. Now we can solve this question by two ways. No, it is given. Branch stock account banao, branch stock adjustment and branch P&L. Okay. So credit sales is given. Invoice value of goods preferred. So this is a first time adjustment. And normal loss due to wastage and deterioration. So prepare. चलो बना लो. Branch stock account. Particulars rupees. Particulars rupees. Minimum beta 10 lines. Huh? Branch adjustment account 8 lines and branch P&L beta 6 to 7 lines, 5 lines. Branch P&L 5 lines. चलो start. To opening balance, to balance brought down or to opening stock. Write down to opening stock. How much? To opening stock. To opening stock. 3,60,000. $3,60,000. By branch, sorry, by stock reserve. By stock reserve. Write down amounts only. 3,60,000 into 33.33 divided by 133.33. By closing stock. Change. By closing stock. 2,88,000. To stock reserve. 2,88,000 into 33.33 divided by 133.33. Then goods sent to branch, to GSTB, 24 lakhs, and by goods in transit on the last line of branch stock, 48,000. So by GSTB loading, better 33.33 upon 133.33. It means it's a 25%. So you can directly take, instead of 33.33 upon 133.33, you can directly consider 25%. You can take on calci, it's 25.25. So 24 lakhs into 25% and 2 goods in transit loading, 48,000 into 25%. Now here I will prepare the pro forma by sales, cash, credit, less returns. Returns 1,20,000. Debtors account we have not opened, so no second effect. Credit sales 1,20,000, debtors account not opened. After that, invoice value of goods pilfered. So red pen beta, by goods pilfered, how much goods pilfered beta? 24,000. This is called as abnormal loss. And now how to give treatment of abnormal loss? 24,000 में से to abnormal loss, 24,000 into 25% here, and in P&L account to abnormal loss, 24,000 into 75%. Loading, without loading, after loading, beta here. And normal loss is 36,000. See, normal loss, red pen only, by normal loss 36,000. And here, normal loss is absorbed by good units. So we never pass entry for normal loss. But so we have to nullify this effect in branch adjustment account. It's very important. Normal loss, pure 36,000. Abnormal loss का loading cancel होगा. But don't cancel loading of normal loss. Normal loss, first time you are recording, normal loss on branch stock credit side and branch adjustment debit side. So these are 2 key points. So write down in index or beta top of the page, losses, abnormal versus normal. Normal loss ki no entry, but here abnormal loss recorded at cost. And no entry therefore branch stock के credit में and branch adjustment के debit में full amount. Okay. So ultimately GP will be zero impact. And here branch stock के credit में invoice price. ब्रांच एडजस्टमेंट के डेबिट में लोडिंग एंड ब्रांच पीएनएल के डेबिट में कॉस्ट. So this is loss entries. Abnormal versus normal. Very, very important. Not in study material. Not in study material. Over. Yes, beta. Now you got the difference. Normal versus abnormal. Normal versus abnormal. Okay. Like costing beta. Yes. Returns GSTB का है क्या? Sorry. Return GSTB का है. Okay. Sorry. यहाँ फिर by GSTB return 1,20,000 एंड क्रेडिट सेल्स के सामने 1,20,000 लिखना था. क्रेडिट सेल्स के सामने 1,20,000 एंड लास्ट इज कैश सेल्स 21,60,000. अच्छा, जीएसटीबी रिटर्न है तो लोडिंग कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा. तो जीएसटीबी रिटर्न लोडिंग 1,20,000 इंटू 25%. अच्छा, आई थॉट सेल्स रिटर्न है. नो, इट्स नॉट सेल्स रिटर्न. अच्छा, रिटर्न ऑफ गुड्स टू इनवॉइस प्राइस. सॉरी, सेल्स रिटर्न नहीं है. एक मिस्टेक हुआ था. वन मिस्टेक बेटा. सेल्स रिटर्न मुझे लगा इट्स नॉट सेल्स रिटर्न, इट्स जीएसटीपी रिटर्न. इट्स जीएसटीपी रिटर्न. मिस्टेक रेक्टिफाइड. 2160 प्लस 120 22,80,000. चलो. So now done beta. Everything. See, goods in transit we recorded. It's like closing stock. Goods in transit is like closing stock. And cancel loading on that also. Chalo. Now tell me balancing figure of branch stock to branch adjustment. $27,96,000. $36,000. $36,000 by branch stock. Now you can calculate loading. 0.25 into 3,60,000. Here it is 90,000. You can use shortcut. 24 lakhs. So this is 6 lakhs. 24,000. 6,000. 1,20,000. 30,000. 48,000. 12,000. 2,88,000. 72,000. So what is GP? $5,70,000. Gross profit 5,70,000 by gross profit 5,70,000. Abnormal loss 18,000 and net profit will be 18 5,52,000. Any difficulty, beta? Yes. So what is new in this question? Goods in transit and normal versus abnormal loss. Normal versus abnormal loss. Goods in transit, how to record, beta? Goods in transit, we record on the credit side. Very good. So you can take a screenshot if you want. बहुत ही गंदा लिखा है मैंने ये. चलो. Goods in transit first time. आलोक इजी था बेटा. Branch adjustment and then branch P&L. बेटा डिफिकल्टी लेवल्स बढ़ती जा रही है. यस, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन बेटा? चलो और कुछ क्वेश्चंस. May 18 भी हो गया. November 20 इजी है ना? November 20 इजी. स्टॉक एंड डेटर्स मेथड इजी है. ये तो सब हो गए लगता है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा फॉर 16 marks. May 13. One foreign branch question. Foreign branch is very easy. चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे. Yes, Abdul bhai, any other question? अब्दुल भाई मैं तेरा का क्वेश्चन ले लू बस. ओके चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉरेन ब्रांच आज का. एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट. डोंट मिस फर्स्ट सेशन. फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट का फर्स्ट सेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वी आर गोइंग टू सी थियोरी ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट ऑन वेडनेसडे. सो वेडनेसडे को मैं पूरा थियोरी कवर करवाऊंगा. यस बेटा आलोक एक फॉरेन ब्रांच का ले लेता हूं. चलो बेटा एक कोई तो बोलो यार 14 या 17. एक कोई भी क्वेश्चन बोलो. 14 या 17. 14 ले लेता हूं. चलो yes beta. ABCD Limited Delhi has a branch in New York USA which is an integral foreign operation. Now beta integral foreign operation, nominal accounts, average rate, monetary, closing, non-monetary, historical. Following ledgers have been extracted. Share capital. Balance sheet is not asked ना. Only trading and P&L ना. क्या पूछा है? Okay, only trading and P&L. So balance sheet, no use. Reserve surplus, no use. Land, no use. Building, no use. Building depreciation reserve, no use. But a building और ये important है for depreciation calculation. मतलब we are not going to post it only for depreciation. Plant and machinery बेटा 100. Historical rate, huh? Historical rate. Historical cost. Stock opening and ये trading में जाएगा IMP 65 बेटा branch stock reserve. It is ओपनिंग स्टॉक का लोडिंग है, ओपनिंग का स्टॉक का लोडिंग, और ब्रांच का ओपनिंग स्टॉक लोडिंग इज कैंसल्ड बाय हेड ऑफिस, ऑलरेडी टॉट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस क्लोजिंग, परचेस सेल्स एवरेज, गुड्स सेंड टू ब्रांच बेटा इंटर डिपार्टमेंट इंटर यूनिट अकाउंट्स, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर सैलरी, P&L, wages, salary, P&L, this is average. Average, P&L, this is average. And inter-unit accounts, beta, actual, actual. Closing stock is given in the question, rupees in 1000. So don't consider last 3 zeros. And New York beta, closing rate. Head office goods are sent at branch at cost plus 25%. Now this is IMP for calculation of loading. Provision for doubtful debts 5%. So डेटर्स के ऊपर 5% की प्रोविजन है, 5% प्रोविजन. ओके. डेप्रिसिएशन 10% and 20% on written down value. Depreciation 10% on building. So building का 10% and plant and machinery का 20%. And then convert this opening, closing, average and fixed asset. चलो. So I will show you the answer for conversion of trial balance. So conversion का आंसर होगा, चलो लाइन बाय लाइन जाते हैं. Conversion will start with 100. ₹100 का आंसर. So I will show you directly the conversion line by line. So you have to prepare trial balance. So this is your conversion of trial balance beta. You can skip this column. You can skip this column. ये नहीं बनाया तो भी चलेगा, ऐसे है भले बनाता रहेगा, पर आप लोगों ने नहीं बनाया तो भी चलेगा. So you can directly write plant and machinery after conversion. So conversion rate is important. You can see here 45 is a historical rate. Opening 50, closing 55, average 52. 50, 55, 52. Historical rate 45, 1 by 1. 45, 45. Depreciation provision. Then next one is trade payable. 16 to 5%. Oh. ये ऊपर नीचे हो गया, ये थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया है. ओके, मैं एक काम करता हूँ, आई विल राइट द आंसर फॉर यू. ट्रायल बैलेंस आफ्टर कन्वर्जन. Serial number, particulars, or you can write directly particulars. Then conversion rate, debit rupees, एंड क्रेडिट रुपीज। वन क्वेश्चन बेटा हम लोग सब साथ में सॉल्व करेंगे। पर्टिकुलर्स, कन्वर्जन रेट, डेबिट रुपीज, क्रेडिट रुपीज। चलो, फर्स्ट वन, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी रिजर्व, चलो बेटा मैं डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन सामने रखो। प्लांट एंड मशीनरी कन्वर्जन रेट बेटा 45, 45 फॉर रिजर्व ऑल्सो। देन trade receivable and we will write trade payable separately. For trade receivable and payable beta rate is closing, so 55, 55. Beta this is opening stock in question. So for opening stock you will consider opening rate 50. Stock 1/4/2012. Then you have branch stock reserve, don't consider. Cash and bank balance. Cash and bank balance. Closing 55. Closing 55. Then you have purchase or sales. Purchases, and I will write sales separately. Purchases average rate beta. Purchase sales average rate 52, 52. Then you have GSTB, goods sent to branch, actual. Then you have wages, average 52. Then whether you have better rent, wages is there, rent and office expense. And office expense. Rent average, office expense average, and commission receipt average, and then HO current account, actual, actual. Yes, beta. So this is your trial balance. This is your trial balance. Balancing figure. Yes. Now you can take on calci. Yes. Just multiply plant and machinery. What is the amount, beta? Plant and machinery 100. 100 into 45. So this is 4,500. Plant and machinery reserve on the credit side. 20 into 45. 900. Then trade receivable 55 into 60 is equal to 3,300 and 20 is equal to 1,100. Trade payable opening stock 50. So 25 into 50, 1250. Cash and bank balance 55 into 4, 220. Purchases 52 into 25 is equal to 1,300. Sales on the credit side 125 is equal to 6,500. Then you have goods sent to branch. So actual it is 1,500. Then you have wages 18 is equal to 936. Then 6 is equal to 312. Then you have office expenses 12 is equal to 624 and commission receipt 100, 5,200 and last one is actual 800. Okay. This is your trial balance. Correct? Hai? Now tell me the balancing figure. Debit total bolo, credit total bolo. Which one is greater? And this is you adjust exchange loss in P&L. Exchange loss, BALFIG. In P&L, not in foreign currency translation account. Huh? This is integral. I think credit is more. So exchange loss, not exchange gain. 14,500. $558 आया मेरा बैलेंसिंग फिगर 558. Exchange loss 558 in P&L. Closing stock 10 into 10 into closing rate 55. So closing stock beta 550 so this is adjustment. Loading 550 into 25 upon 125. So loading is beta loading is 11. Okay, 550 into 25 divided by 110. Sorry. 110 is a loading. Then provision for doubtful dates. Trade receivable कितना है? 3,300 into 5%. 165. And then you have depreciation प्लांट एंड मशीनरी का डिप्रिसिएशन, सो डिप्रिसिएशन बेटा 4500 minus 900. So 4500 minus 900, it's on written down value. So depreciation आपका रिजर्व माइनस करके आएगा इनटू प्लांट एंड मशीनरी पे कितना 20%. So depreciation is 720. So these are adjustments. Now you are ready to prepare trading and P&L account. अभी आप लोग रेडी हो ट्रेडिंग एंड P&L बनाने के लिए. सो दीज आर एडजस्टमेंट्स 1 2 3 4 4 एडजस्टमेंट्स. एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन में अभी आपको बनाना है लास्ट में ट्रेडिंग एंड P&L. सो इट्स इजी. अभी देखो ट्रेडिंग एंड P&L भी बना के दे देता हूं. एक लास्ट 5 मिनट्स बेटा, लास्ट 5 मिनट्स. कैश कैसे आया, मतलब कैश दिया ना 220 कैश. कैश एंड बैंक बैलेंस 4 इंटू 55. दीपिका क्यों ऐसा पूछ रही है, कैश कहां से आया? 4 इंटू 55 बेटा. एंड बेटा ट्रेडिंग एंड P&L अकाउंट, पर्टिकुलर्स, HO, ब्रांच, टोटल, पर्टिकुलर्स, HO, ब्रांच, टोटल. ओके चलो, सो स्टार्ट. एट लाइन्स बेटा वे ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एंड 10 लाइन्स P&L अकाउंट. चलो स्टार्ट करते. सबसे पहले लिख देंगे ओपनिंग स्टॉक and by closing stock. Okay, now you can start your posting. First one is share capital, no. Reserves and surplus, no. Land, no. Building we can write for depreciation. So after in P&L, after 3 lines beta building, and after 1 line beta plant. So building का depreciation इधर calculate कर लेंगे. Building beta you can see 1000 minus 200 और HO के लिए बिल्डिंग का डिप्रिसिएशन कितना आएगा इंटू 10%. 80 एंड प्लांट एंड मशीनरी 2000 माइनस 500 इंटू 20%. 1500 इंटू 20% 300. depreciation. And here we already calculated depreciation 720 for branch के लिए 720 only plant and machinery. Okay, total you can take it later. चलो ये हो गया. ट्रेड रिसीवेबल नो. स्टॉक यस, स्टॉक हम लोग कितना लिखेंगे 250 एंड हियर स्टॉक इज 1250. सो स्टॉक लिख दिया 1250. नेक्स्ट ब्रांच स्टॉक रिजर्व. यस, नाउ रेड पेन. ओपनिंग स्टॉक का लोडिंग किधर कैंसिल होगा, नहीं तो इधर कर लेते. 5 नंबर रेड पेन बेटा, 5 नंबर. ब्रांच स्टॉक रिजर्व. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का कितना कैलकुलेट किया 550 लेस ओपनिंग स्टॉक रिजर्व 550 क्लोजिंग स्टॉक रिजर्व and opening stock reserve is given in the question 65. So 550 minus 65, 485. 485, I'm going to write this. Sorry. 110 है, 110 है. Closing stock का reserve 110. 110 minus 65. Sorry. 45. Closing stock is 550. 110 is a stock reserve. So 45. And on the closing stock is greater. So stock reserve, it is debit and it is credit. 45. 45. Yes, 45 we will write it in debit side. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का डेबिट में आएगा 110 एंड इसका क्रेडिट में आएगा. आईसीआई ने ये गलत आंसर दिया है. स्टॉक रिजर्व मेरा आया ये 110 था ना. $550 into 25 divided by 125. Loading is 110 only. Closing stock is 550 ना. Closing stock कितना था? $10. 550 करेक्ट है हमारा. हमारा ही करेक्ट है ना. एक बार चेक करके बताओ. 10 into 55. बेटा, yes, I will tell you why conversion. See, stock is $10. ओके, मेरी गलती हो गई है. $10,000 नहीं है. यस, सॉरी. 550 को डिवाइड बाय 1000 करना पड़ेगा. रुपीज इन 1000 है. गलती हो गई मेरी. 550 डिवाइड बाय 1000. So your closing stock is beta 0.55. Figures in 1000. Figures is in 1000. Okay. So 0.55. No, I say correct. Yeah, ये confusion था ये. 0.55 into 25 divided by 125. So this is 0.11. And now 0.11 debit and 65 credit. Opening stock का loading opposite side पे होता है. So credit is more. Answer is 64.89. Answer is 64.89. Credit is more. Most important part. Closing stock 10 into 55. Yes, बेटा. सर ने भी इधर मिस्टेक किया. SS मिस्टेक. रेड पे ना 10 into 55. 550, but rupees in 1000. In 1000. Okay, therefore 0.55. So loading is 0.55 into 25 upon 125. So loading on closing stock has debit balance. Debit balance. So closing stock भी मुझे लिखना है अभी तो. Okay. सो हम लोग कहां तक पहुंचे? लोडिंग। सो लोडिंग क्रेडिट ज्यादा है, सो रेड पेन बाय स्टॉक रिजर्व, ये भी आईएमपी था, बाय स्टॉक रिजर्व 64.89, 64.89 करेक्ट છે? स्टॉक रिजर्व इज इंपॉर्टेंट। चलो नाउ स्टॉक रिजर्व ओवर, नाउ परचेस सेल्स, टू परचेस नॉर्मल पेन बाय सेल्स, टू परचेसेस 275 by sales 600, and here purchases is 1300 and 6500, 1300. Next, GSTB from HO goes out branch के लिए comes in 1500 and HO इधर dash and buy GSTB on the same line because intercompany में नहीं आता है 1500. Next, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर सैलरी नीचे, को एमडी सैलरी, तो एमडी सैलरी 50-50 टोटल ले लिया, वेजेस, रेंट, ओके रेंट, और उसके बाद वन मोर पॉइंट, टू एक्सपेंसेस, ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस, तो ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस, ओके वेजेस कितना लिखूं? वेजेस के सामने 100, रेंट इज डैश, ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस 25, एंड इधर रेंट और ये सब लिख लेता हूं 936, 312 एंड 624, 936, 312, 624. Commission, by commission 275 और इसका 5200. And last item, exchange loss by 58. So exchange loss, who will record exchange loss beta? HO. HO will record exchange loss. चलो हो गया. Now it's time for closing. चलो total you can take by at home as homework. हाँ closing stock we forgot, and provision for दीदी, provision for दीदी, yes. Debtors कितना था इनका? Debtors 500 into 5%, 500 into 5%, 25, and इनका कितना है 165. सो प्रोविजन मेरा रह गया था 25 एंड 165. नाउ यू कैन कैलकुलेट, जीपी कैलकुलेट करो. चलो फास्ट, 600 प्लस 1500, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक रहेगा क्या लिखना? हाँ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 200 and 0.55, 200 and 0.55. चलो स्टार्ट. 600 plus 1500 plus 200, 2300. अरे वेजेस ऊपर लिखना था, वेजेस ऊपर लिखना था. 100, 936. वेजेस क्यों नीचे लिखा? वेजेस ऊपर लिखना था, सॉरी वेजेस ऊपर लिखना था. 2300 वेजेस को ऊपर लिख दिया. Wages write down in trading account. I have considered it in P&L. Sorry, it's mistake. 250, 275, 100, 1675 and 6500 plus 0.55 minus 1250, 1500, 936. GP 1514.55, 1514.55 by GP brought down 1675, and now you can take 200 minus 312 minus 720 4893.55, 4893.55 for branch net profit 1675, 275 plus 64.89 E minus 300 minus 25 minus 558 976.89 plus 4893.55. Total profit will be 5870.44. Final profit 570.44. Final profit. Total column you take as your homework. Okay. So total column को homework में ले लेना. बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन था. Many important points. But a stock reserve is very difficult in this question. Stock reserve. Opening stock reserve and closing stock reserve. And closing stock reserve, better take it in 1000. So this is the most important point over here. 16 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था. Stock reserve is important one. Okay. ठीक है, थोड़ा फास्ट हुआ. You can watch it later. So this is all from my side. चलिए बाकी का हम लोग परसों करेंगे. चलो, थैंक यू. विल मीट ऑन वेडनेसडे. बंद कर दीजिए.